How to delete shortcuts in iPhone. Now, to delete shortcuts on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, all you have to do is, let's say you have a shortcut application. You happen to create many shortcuts over the years, which some of it you might not find necessary at all. So you might want to delete it. So for that, all you have to do is just tap on the three dots option next to that shortcut, but you can see just giving me this option. So all I have to do is actually long press that particular shortcut right there, or select that, right? So I'll go ahead and long press on a certain shortcut. Then there you'll find the option called delete in the trash icon. Tap on it. Tap on delete shortcut, and that particular shortcut will be successfully deleted. Similarly, I can repeat the process for any of the other shortcuts that are available inside of my iPhone shortcut app. This way I'll be able to delete shortcuts on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.